Did you know that over 552 million shampoo bottles end up in landfills every year? That's enough to circle the earth multiple times. It's a staggering statistic, and it highlights a huge problem. Our bathrooms are overflowing with waste. But there's good news. We can transform our bathrooms from wasteful to wonderful. Zero waste living is about reducing our impact on the planet by minimizing the amount of trash we send to landfills. And guess what? The bathroom is the perfect place to start. It's where many single-use plastics and harmful chemicals lurk, but it's also a place where simple swaps can make a big impact. In this video, we're going to explore simple, practical, and effective ways to transform your bathroom into a zero-waste haven. We'll talk about easy swaps, DIY recipes, and tips that will not only help you reduce your environmental footprint, but also save you money in the long run. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most important parts of our bathroom routines, the shower. This is where we cleanse, refresh, and pamper ourselves, but it's also a place where a lot of waste can accumulate. But fear not. We can easily swap out those wasteful products for eco-friendly alternatives that are gentle on our bodies and the planet. First up, soap. Instead of reaching for a plastic-wrapped body wash, why not try a luxurious moisturizing bar soap? You can find incredible package-free options at your local health food store or online. And the best part? Bar soaps often last longer than their liquid counterparts, saving you money and packaging waste. Next, let's talk about hair care. Shampoo and conditioner bars have exploded in popularity, and for good reason. These concentrated bars are completely plastic-free, last for ages, and come in a wide variety of formulations for different hair types. Trust me, your hair and the planet will thank you. Now that we've conquered the shower, let's move on to some other bathroom essentials that can easily be swapped for more sustainable options. These small changes may seem insignificant, but trust me, they add up to make a huge difference in the long run. One of the easiest swaps you can make is switching to a bamboo toothbrush. Traditional plastic toothbrushes take hundreds of years to decompose, while bamboo is a naturally biodegradable material that breaks down quickly. Plus, bamboo toothbrushes look super chic in your bathroom. Next up, let's talk about flossing. Did you know that conventional floss is often made from nylon, a petroleum-based product? Thankfully, there are fantastic alternatives like silk floss or water flossers. Silk floss is biodegradable, and water flossers are a great way to reduce waste altogether. And for all my makeup lovers out there, let's not forget about reusable cotton rounds. These little rounds are a game changer. They're perfect for removing makeup, applying toner, and even cleaning up small messes. Once you're done, toss them in the wash, and they're ready to be used again and again. Ditching plastic bottles. Let's talk about one of the biggest culprits lurking in our bathrooms: plastic bottles. From shampoo and conditioner to lotion and body wash, it seems like everything comes packaged in plastic these days. But the good news is that we can drastically reduce our reliance on these single-use plastics by embracing some simple alternatives. First and foremost, let's talk about what to do with those almost empty bottles. We've all been there. Don't let them go to waste. Cut them open, scrape out every last drop, and make sure to recycle them properly. Now let's talk about how to prevent those plastic bottles from piling up in the first place. Remember those amazing shampoo and conditioner bars we talked about earlier? Well, they also make bar versions of lotion, body wash, and even shaving cream. These bars are super concentrated, last for ages, and are completely plastic-free. Another fantastic option is to embrace the power of DIY. Making your own beauty and bathroom products is easier than you think, and it allows you to control exactly what ingredients go into your products. We'll share some of our favorite recipes later in the video, so stay tuned. Alternative uses for old items. Before you toss away those old bathroom items, hold on. Many things can be repurposed to reduce waste and give them a new life. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. First up, let's talk about those old towels. Instead of throwing them away, cut them up into smaller squares to create reusable cleaning rags. These rags are perfect for wiping down surfaces, cleaning up spills, and even washing your car. Next, let's head over to the bathroom sink. Those old mason jars that once held candles or jams make fantastic storage containers for toothbrushes, makeup brushes, cotton rounds, and more. Just give them a good clean, add a cute label, and voila! You have stylish and sustainable storage solutions. And speaking of storage, don't forget about old baskets, trays, and boxes. These can be repurposed to organize your bathroom drawers, store extra toilet paper rolls, or even create a designated space for your zero-waste bathroom essentials. Transforming your bathroom. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our zero-waste bathroom transformation journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, from ditching those pesky plastic bottles to embracing the power of DIY. Remember, every little step you take, no matter how small, makes a difference for the planet. The key to making lasting change is to start small and gradually incorporate these new habits into your routine. Don't feel like you need to overhaul your entire bathroom overnight. Instead, focus on one swap at a time. Once you've mastered one swap, move on to the next. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. It's a journey, and there will be bumps along the way. Don't let perfection be the enemy of good. Every step you take towards a zero-waste bathroom is a step in the right direction. Outro. Join the zero-waste movement. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey to a zero-waste bathroom. Remember, small changes can make a big impact, and together, we can create a more sustainable future. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite zero-waste bathroom swaps? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more sustainable living inspiration, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's make our bathrooms and our planet a cleaner, greener place. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this journey.